India is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions harmoniously coexist with modernity, where every corner tells a story, and where culture isn't just experienced, it is felt. Traveling to India is an immersive journey into a civilization that has thrived for millennia, leaving behind a rich tapestry of history, art, spirituality, and traditions that continue to shape daily life. From bustling metropolises to serene villages, every destination offers something unique, an opportunity to connect with a way of life that is deeply rooted yet endlessly evolving. Walking through the streets of India is like stepping into a sensory whirlwind. Colors burst forth from intricately designed saris. Spices from street-side vendors fill the air with intoxicating aromas, and the constant hum of life vibrates through the avenues. Whether it is the honking of rickshaws in Delhi, the lapping waves of the Arabian Sea in Kerala, or the rhythmic beats of traditional folk music in Rajasthan, India is a land that refuses to be ignored. It demands attention, and once it has it, it captivates and enchants. At the heart of India's culture is its deep spiritualism. Every region has its own pantheon of gods, festivals, rituals, and legends. Cities like Varanasi, the spiritual nerve center of India, offer travelers a glimpse into the soul of Hinduism, with its mesmerizing evening aarti ceremonies on the banks of the Ganges, where flames flicker against the dark sky in a hypnotic dance of devotion. Meanwhile, Amritsar's Golden Temple stands as a symbol of Sikh faith and welcomes people from all walks of life to partake in the langar, a free communal meal that embodies principles of equality and service. Even beyond religion, the spiritual essence of India is palpable in its yoga and meditation retreats that draw seekers from around the globe to places like Rishikesh and Dharamshala, offering respite from the chaos of life. Art and architecture weave together India's cultural narrative with remarkable mastery. Every monument tells a tale, whether it is the grand Mughal-era elegance of the Taj Mahal, the carved temples of Khajuraho depicting stories of love and devotion, or the stepwells of Gujarat that whisper secrets of ancient engineering. Jaipur's pink-hued palaces and the towering gateways of South India's temples showcase the diversity in architectural styles that evolved over centuries. While historical grandeur is evident at every turn, India is not merely a relic of its past, it continues to innovate and reimagine its artistic identity through contemporary art galleries, fusion music, and cinematic brilliance. One cannot separate India's culture from its cuisine, a flavorful journey that speaks of its diversity as much as its history. Each state boasts its own signature dishes, a testament to the range of influences that have shaped Indian food over centuries. Spices are at the core of this culinary tradition, transforming simple ingredients into aromatic and deeply satisfying meals. Whether savoring butter-laden paranthas in Punjab, indulging in fragrant biryanis in Hyderabad, or sampling delicate seafood curries in Goa, every meal is a revelation. Food here is more than sustenance, it is a celebration, an essential part of hospitality that transcends social and economic divisions. India's performing arts, deeply embedded in its cultural identity, are an awe-inspiring spectacle of elegance and dynamism. Classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Odissi are not merely performances but expressions of devotion, storytelling, and intricate discipline. Bollywood, India's globally renowned film industry, continues to shape perceptions of India, merging traditional folklore with contemporary narratives and dazzling audiences with its extravagant musical numbers. Meanwhile, folk traditions from remote regions breathe life into forgotten stories, be it the puppetry of Rajasthan, the baul music of Bengal, or the Yakshagana performances of Karnataka, each adding layers to India's cultural fabric. Festivals in India are an explosion of energy, color, and tradition, each one carrying deep historical and spiritual significance. Holi, the festival of colors, sees entire towns drenched in vibrant hues, as locals and visitors alike revel in the joy of spring's arrival. Diwali, the festival of lights, transforms cities into glowing landscapes of flickering lamps and fireworks, while Durga Puja in Bengal showcases elaborate artistic idols and cultural revelry. Regional festivals such as Onam in Kerala, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and Navratri in Gujarat celebrate agrarian traditions and community bonding, inviting visitors to partake in rituals, feasts, and exuberant dance forms. For those seeking an authentic glimpse into everyday Indian life, exploring its bustling markets offers an unparalleled experience. Whether strolling through the chaotic bazaars of Old Delhi, where the aroma of street food mingles with the calls of vendors, or wandering through Jaipur's bazaars brimming with hand-woven textiles, precious gemstones, and intricate handicrafts, the energy is infectious. The craftsmanship found in these local markets speaks of generations of artisans who pass down their skills, ensuring India's rich artistic legacy thrives even in the most modern times. Despite its rapid urbanization, India's rural heart continues to beat strong, preserving customs and lifestyles that remain untouched by time. Visiting villages offers a stark contrast to the vibrancy of urban centers, showcasing a slower pace of life, where traditions take precedence over technology. Rajasthan's desert hamlets exude warmth, welcoming travelers with folk dances and camel rides, while the backwaters of Kerala reveal an ecosystem where life revolves around serene waters, houseboats drifting along like time itself has slowed. Nature plays a vital role in India's cultural experience as well. From the snow-clad peaks of the Himalayas, where monasteries sit perched on mountainsides exuding an aura of tranquility, to the mangrove forests of Sundarbans, where the elusive Bengal tiger roams freely, India's biodiversity is astonishing. The tea estates of Darjeeling, the spice plantations of Kerala, and the rolling sand dunes of Jaisalmer all offer glimpses into landscapes that are inseparable from local ways of life. Traveling through India is more than visiting places, it is about experiencing a culture that breathes through its people, stories, music, and traditions. It is a country that does not simply showcase its history but lives within it. Whether losing oneself in the echoes of temple bells or discovering the warmth of local hospitality over a cup of masala chai, every moment in India becomes part of a larger, unforgettable narrative. There are lessons to be learned in its contradictions, wisdom in its chaos, and immense beauty in its soul.